As you know, I absolutely love my TourBox Elite. I've recommended it on the channel before, but for some viewers the price might be a little steep. Now TourBox has heard this feedback and have released a new model. This is the TourBox Lite, and just like its name suggests, it's a light edition, offering a more affordable option for a wide range of artists. The new design comes with 8 buttons compared to the flagship model that I have, so with its price gone down a lot, which is definitely great news for many artists who never experienced tools like this to speed up their workflow, will it still be as useful? Let's find out. First off, for those who might not be familiar, the TourBox is designed to make digital creative work more efficient. Whether you're into photo editing, video production, or digital art, this little console promises to speed up your workflow significantly. I personally like using it in both photo and video editing, and the experience has been great, and they really held to their promises. And the Lite version, to me, the first impression is that it is more compact design, but comes via fewer buttons compared to the Elite model that I have. Definitely a much more affordable option for artists. The TourBox Lite has a sleek, compact design that feels robust yet lightweight enough to carry around, making it a great option for creators on the go. It comes with a beautiful braided USB-C cable with an adapter for USB-A. The layout is intuitive with a mixture of dials, buttons and a scroller, all customizable through their software. And speaking of their software, setting it up is a breeze. The TourBox console software is where the device truly shines. You can customize every single input to match your workflow, whether you're using Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve or any other major creative software. And for those worried about compatibility, the TourBox Lite works with both Windows and Mac. For me, 2 standout features speed up my workflow: the dial and the scroller. I use the scroller for zooming in and out while retouching my macro shots, and the dial for changing my brush size. The top button I have configured for a quick TourBox menu for switching between the clone stamp tool and the healing brushes like the remove tool. One thing to note is that the menu pops up wherever your mouse cursor is, so you don't need to move around to select your next tool. For video editing, I can't live without the scroller for zooming in and out of my time frame. It saves me so much time and hassle that the scroller is worth it on its own. Cutting and editing are made easy using the customizable buttons on the TourBox. But how does it feel to use? I spent a week integrating the TourBox Lite into my video editing and photo retouching workflow, and here is what I found. The TourBox didn't let me down again with this new model. It's still a game changer even if it comes via fewer buttons. You still get to see and feel the level of precision you get with the dials, but still, if you have the Elite model, the haptic feedback is going to be even better. The Lite model lacks the haptic feedback, so if you like haptic feedback, the Elite model is going to feel even better. But most importantly, you still have the same ability to quickly switch between tools and functions without lifting your hands off the console, which is incredible. Although it comes via fewer buttons, but via all of the features they develop, such as the combo between buttons, the tool menu, which is great when retouching macro shots in Photoshop, and also the macro modes that you can program. TourBox is smart when it comes to how to maximize its functionality via only these little buttons, yet still makes you feel great when working on it. Again, it significantly sped up my editing process after a short learning curve getting used to the new layout. And now using it feels like second nature to me, especially with tasks like color grading and brush adjustments. TourBox just comes in super handy. Now, when compared to its predecessor and competitors, the TourBox Lite holds its own. It's more affordable and portable, while still offering a high degree of customization and control. If there's a downside, it's that it's not Bluetooth, unlike the Elite model that I have had for several months. But if you're not fussed about cables on your desk, then the TourBox Lite will be a great choice for you. So, is the TourBox Lite worth it? If you're a professional digital creator looking to streamline your workflow, absolutely. The price point is justified by the time you'll save and the increase in your work precision and efficiency. The Elite is for professionals who use it in multiple work scenarios to step up their game, but the Lite is definitely a good model for hobbyists who want to speed up their workflow to have a better creative experience in general. TourBox currently offers 3 versions: the Elite, the Neo and the Lite. The Elite is the top-end model with 11 buttons and 3 knobs with tactile touch and Bluetooth. The Neo is the non-Bluetooth version with a connected cable and no tactile feedback, and of course the Lite version that we have talked about in this video. So that's it for my review of the TourBox Lite. There's a link in the description to the TourBox website where all 3 models are available, and of course where you can pick up the Lite version if you wish to. But what do you think? Is this something you would add to your creative toolbox? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming reviews. But until next time, I want to thank you for watching this review. My name's Stewart, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then please subscribe and click the like button. It really does help out the channel. I want to thank my Patreon supporters for their continued support in supporting me and this channel. If you're interested in joining Patreon, then check in the description below this video for a link to Patreon. If you want to continue watching my macro journey, then click one of the videos in front of you now.